All right, let's talk about apps. This is part 2. Go to part 1 to see the other apps. Today we're going to talk about some of my favorite apps that I use for getting my house cleaned. The first one is Hema. I've also tried Matic, Raha, there's Urban Company, there's Dari, so no lack of apps for that. You can have someone come to your house for 4 hours and clean it from top to bottom. If you want your car cleaned, I recommend an app called Sponge. They'll come to your house and clean your car inside and out for you, and it's a very deep clean. For transportation, let's talk about the Riyadh Bus app. This app is great for figuring out the bus stops and where you want to go. There's also BSKL for renting scooters and bikes. It's the orange colored ones. And also, if you need roadside assistance, if you run out of gas, get a flat tire, the app called Morni is great. So Morni, check it out. The last app I want to share with you guys, my favorite for traveling, Gathern. It's also great for renting an istiraha, like a place to stay, to have a party within Riyadh or outside of Riyadh. They use it all over Saudi. Saving the best for last, iHerb. If you do not know about iHerb, you're missing out. This is an amazing app to get products that you might not be able to find at the local stores here. I get hair products, I get protein powder, supplements, anything like that you can find on iHerb.
Start your Arabic journey with a free trial at Arabius.com.